Hi, this is Murray from Second Time Tech, and today I am going to be using my phone as my recording device, so sorry if the audio isn't quite as good this time. As you can tell, my computer is not quite done yet, and the reason why is because I decided to make a little video on my new AIO, which is the DeepCool Captain 240EX, and I'll just show you a few of the things that's on it. Now, I haven't done any unboxing, so I don't plan on doing any, but here we go. So basically what comes in the kit is the water block with the pump attached right here. And it has the radiator, because of course it's an AIO. And I got the white one because I was trying to go with a little bit of white and black theme, so I thought, well, it might make it look like there is some white and black in there, so it may look pretty good. I don't know. Anyway, even the fans that come with it are white and black, so it's quite a nice little feature on it. I've seen it on a few other of the YouTube channels, and when I had a look at it, I thought, oh, that's pretty nice. And I thought I was going to get a black one, but for some reason, the ones that are in black, which are exactly the same thing as what this is, in Canada, on Amazon Canada, they're $30 and $40 more. So this one was $104, so it was well within my budget, as opposed to the black ones. And I thought, well, it still looked pretty good. I'm trying to do like a little bit of black and white, but, oh, well, we'll see. And then, of course, it comes with all the adapters and stuff that you need for different types of CPUs. And it also comes with, I actually don't even know what this is, but when I find out, if I use it, I'll tell you. And that's pretty much what it comes with. It's a kind of a basic AIO kit, except for the fact it's a 240 instead of a 120 is what I had before. It says that it's AM4 ready, which is quite nice. And I don't know if it's going to be using those little connectors that they use for the heat sinks that are built in on the motherboard. I would kind of rather have the one that actually screws down on the 4 posts, because I think you get a more even amount of pressure on them. But because it's cheaper to do it this way, and they come with those brackets built into it already, I guess it's cheaper for them just to make a couple little hooks and screw them down, and away you go. Because that's what the Master Liquid 120 that I had before, that's the way it was. Anyway, on this one, it says that it has skived fins. Never heard of that, so I'm assuming they're talking about the fan, maybe. And the other thing is, this thing right here is glass, so you can actually see the movement of the water in there, supposedly. I've heard other people say that they can't see the water moving. It's supposed to be tool-free, and it says it has double blades. Now, I'm assuming what they mean is in the pump, because when I look at the fan, I don't see 2 blades. I only see 1, but it does have a different little thing on the fan. it has some kind of a little hole through the fin on the fan, like 3 little holes. Maybe that's what they're talking about by the skived fins, I'm assuming. So it's probably to make it more aerodynamic and maybe less turbulence whenever it hits the rad, because it's where they have a lot of the problems, where they can't either. You get like a negative air pressure on it, and then it doesn't flow the air through it as well. So they keep trying to do new little things in order to make them work better. Now, what they did on the my other AIO, the Master Liquid 120, it had 2 fans, so it used a push-pull configuration, and so that would kind of alleviate that, because it's the air is being pushed through it and sucked out of it. So that would be a more efficient way to do it, I would well imagine. But anyway, we'll go back to this, and it says it has a powerful motor. Well, I'm kind of glad it's got a powerful motor. And it says that it has 120,000 hours mean time between faults. That's what that MTBF means. Mean time between faults. Now, that's an average. You could get one that has 1 hour, and then you get a fault. You can have one that goes 280,001 hours, and then your mean time between faults would be 140,000 hours. So that's, like I say, it's an average. It could be a good average, could be not so great average. I don't know for sure, but I've heard good things on this one, so I haven't heard too many people having a lot of problems with these. So hopefully that'll work all right. Well, that's pretty much what I have for the video today. On my computer, I've got pretty much everything in except for the cooling. I do have a little cooling block for the memory that I had, so I thought I'd put that in there. I don't know if it's going to be in the way or not, so I guess I'll find out soon. So it may be in there, or it may not be in there on Tuesday. Now, the motherboard has a lot more features on it than the Asus Prime, X370 Pro. This one is the Crosshair 6 Hero, and it's, like I say, it's got a lot more stuff on there that may help me. You never know, I might be able to get it up to a little higher than the memory, but that'll be for another time. I'm hoping at least a few weeks anyway before I get back into that. Well, that's all I have for today, and I would like to say that if you like the video, please hit the thumbs up, and if you don't like the video, then hit the thumbs down. Subscribe if you'd like to have more content from my channel. And I do want to wish everybody a wonderful day. Thank you very much for watching and listening. Bye.